5 seconds to go. Start. My family members, in Mann Ki Baat, we have been discussing such collective efforts which have brought about major changes in the society. Another achievement of Mann Ki Baat is that it has made radio more popular in every household. On MyGov, I have received a letter from Ram Singh Bodh ji of Amroha in Uttar Pradesh. Ram Singh ji has been engaged in the work of collecting radio sets for the last several decades. He says that after Mann Ki Baat, people's curiosity about his radio museum has increased further. Similarly, inspired by Mann Ki Baat, Tirath Dham Prerna Tirath near Ahmedabad has organized an interesting exhibition. More than 100 antique radios from India and abroad are displayed here. Here, all the episodes of Mann Ki Baat done till now can be heard. There are many more examples which show how people got inspired by Mann Ki Baat and started their own enterprise. One such example is that of Varsha ji of Chamara Raja Nagar, Karnataka, who was inspired by Mann Ki Baat to stand on her own feet. Motivated by an episode of this program, she started the work of making organic fertilizer from bananas. This initiative of Varsha ji, who is very fond of nature, has also brought employment opportunities for other people. My family members, tomorrow, the 27th of November, is the festival of Kartik Purnima. Dev Dipavali is also celebrated on this day, and I always feel like witnessing Dev Dipavali of Kashi. This time I will not be able to go to Kashi, but I am definitely sending my best wishes to the people of Banaras through Mann Ki Baat. This time too, lakhs of lamps will be lit on the ghats of Kashi. There will be a grand aarti. There will be a laser show. Lakhs of people from India and abroad will enjoy Dev Dipavali. Friends, tomorrow, on the day of the full moon, is also the Prakash Parv of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Ji's precious messages are inspiring and relevant even today, not only for India but for the whole world. They inspire us to be simple, harmonious, and dedicated towards others. Our Sikh brothers and sisters all over the world are seen following the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji about the spirit of service and acts of service. I convey my very best wishes to all the listeners of Mann Ki Baat on the Prakash Parv of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. My family members, that is all this time with me in Mann Ki Baat. By and by, 2023 is moving towards its end. And like every time, you and I are also thinking that look, this year has passed so quickly. But it is also true that this year has been a year of immense achievements for India, and India's achievements are the achievements of every Indian. I am glad that Mann Ki Baat has become a powerful medium to highlight such achievements of Indians. Next time, we will talk to you again about the many successes of our countrymen. Till then, I take leave of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Stop.